This is how to convert any website into an Android app for free. First of all, go to this website app, please. I will leave the site in the description below. So you sign up. Let's sign up with our full name, email, and password. You can see Rich Boy Check Channel. Click on join. Then create an app name. So we'll be using an example of this website, this WordPress site, Rich Boy Tech. So let's just convert this website into an Android app. So first of all, copy the URL, go back to the website and paste it. Then here you can name the app. So let's name it Rich Boy Tech Channel app. So here you can choose the platform, either Android or iOS. So we are doing for Android. So click on Android and click on create app. Click on free plan. Then if you want to subscribe, you can go for the life plan or yearly plan. So the next step, our account will be created. So the next step is to build our app for free. So go to the menu, click on build and download. So you can see our website details. So go to build the app. So it will take some time. So let's wait for the app to load. So you can see our app is ready. You can scan the QR code or download it. So let's download the APK file on our Android phone. This is our Android phone. We copy the download link, click on download. So as you can see, we are now downloading the APK file of our website. Download complete, click on install. As you can see, the app is installed. Let's open the app. Voila. So we just converted a simple WordPress site to a working Android app for free. As you can see, this is the website and this is the app. So our next step is to create a random site. Let's look for a cryptocurrency investment website. So you can build any app of your choice. Let's view this website, this investment website. So like we did before, all we have to do is just copy the link of this website, copy it, go back to this website and go to app information, impute the website that you want to convert to an app, impute the name you want to use. For now, let's use Happy Investments. So the next step is to click on code, logo, sorry. So we don't currently have a logo. Let's just Google a random logo, investment logo. So okay, let's use this one. Let's use this. So let's use this photo. So let's upload the app logo. So resize it to the perfect size. Then the next step, Android package name. So let's rename this Android package name. The next step is to click on save changes. So once everything is done, click on save changes. As you can see, settings saved successfully. So go back to build and download. So click on build the app. The app is loading. Okay, you can see the app is ready. So let's copy the APK file of the app and go back to our Android phone and download the file. So let's go. Okay, we are downloading it. As you can see, it's been downloaded. So download completed. So this is a very fast. Click on install. You can scan it if you want to. Let's scan it. Successfully scan, install. Voila, as you can see, just converted the investment site into an app. Let's open the app and check if it's working. Okay, the app is working perfectly. So this is the website. This is the website, and this is the mobile app. So as you can see, the app is working. This is the app logo. So I will leave the websites in the description below, where you can convert any website to an Android app or iPhone app. So I will leave the website in the link below. So let's log in to the app and check its functionality. As you can see, the app is working perfectly. The app is working perfectly. Yeah. So do well to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, you can write it down and I will answer it for you. As you can see, our app have installed successfully and it's working perfectly. Thank you.